Well, hello everybody, and welcome back to G Bear's Off-Grid Ways, a homestead in the desert. And it's not What Is It Wednesday, but see if anybody can guess what these things are. Okay, well, I'm about to show you. The paint's still a little wet, but that's okay. They can dry in place. Alright, so it's a windy day. And on windy days, having a container door open like that door weighs over a ton. It's over 2,000 pounds. Just that door alone. Now, if the wind comes from the right direction and catches that door when somebody's in the way, that's going to do some damage. So that's what I made this for. You see that little tie down right there? They've got them on both sides of the container for each door, but I only open one door when I'm in here. So anyway, what this does is it fits right in here, just like that. And this part hits into the door right there, and the door can't slam shut. Now it could blow open if the wind comes from the opposite direction, but at least it's not going to cut you off at the ankles at the bottom here. So that's what these things are. Now, I designed it so you won't lose it. So when you take this out to close the door, you flip it over and put this side down in here with this part pointing that way. Pretty cool, huh? So I have two containers, and I'm going to be going into that one in a little while, so I'll take the other unit in there and hold the door open while I go feed the chickens, because that's where I keep my chicken feed. That way the mice don't get to it. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, I'll be back with some more in a little while. I gotta pause you. So here's the second one in action. And as you can see, the door is being blown by the wind, and if I didn't have that thing in there, that door could come slamming shut and cause some damage. These winds are gusting probably pretty close to 30 miles an hour, and that thing will hold. It's all steel, so it's not going anywhere. So if anybody's interested in some of these, let me know. Maybe I can make them up and sell them. There'll be a shipping charge, but hey, it's probably cheaper than going out and buying a welder and all the metal you need to build one, right? So most of these containers are all the same, except the tie downs are in different places, but there's always one about neck high or so. So you can see one up top, but you're not going to be able to reach that one. But that door will not slam shut in the wind. Even though, let's see if I can show you down there. Yeah, you can see it better with the bottom of it moving. Oh, it's even knocking stuff over in here. I used to place that board in that hinge, but sometimes the door would go the other way and the board would fall out, and then the door would slam shut. This can't fall out. And remember, to store it, I'll be moving that board, but you just lift it out, turn it over, and put it back in again. And it's right there next time you need it. Pretty cool. Let me know what you think about that down in the comment section. I'm going to pause you again and go feed the chickens, and we'll get some more put on here. Okay, everybody, so I finished my chores here. I'm closing up. That's how I store the part, so that it's right here next time I need to hold the door open. And I'm gonna close up right now and head inside, because these winds are terrible. I was down at the garden, and it's pulled the new shade cloth right out of the spring clips, and that's not supposed to do that. Some of the peak gusts have gone over 40 miles an hour, so It's been nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Anyway, closing up in here now. So I can go inside, sit down, have a cold drink, and get ready to do my supper. And I was going to barbecue a chicken quarter for tonight, but don't know if I'm going to be able to do that with the winds, because the barbecue will just be, the air just blows the heat away, and it'll be in there for hours and still not fully cooked. So I may have to cook it in the oven indoors. Dogs are fed, chickens are fed. Chops and, well, I gotta close this one, but it takes two hands, so I'm gonna cut this video off, call it a print, even though it doesn't look like a print. I'm gonna call it a print. And one of these jobs is gonna be to take these 4x4s and my auger and start setting them the posts where I need for my new wraparound patio on the shop on the cabin. I just got distracted looking at something down on the road. Anyway, thanks for joining me, everybody. Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. G Bear signing off.